Closing arguments are underway in former President Trump's civil fraud trial. He's accused of inflating his net worth for better bank loans and other deals. Trump spoke before heading into the courthouse today. CBS News Bradley Blackburn is live in Lower Manhattan with more on this. Bradley.
Mary, we are just days away from the caucus, and the former president is a world away from Iowa here in Lower Manhattan. But in many ways, this was a campaign stop for Trump. He used it as a political move to rally his base, even as he faces real legal consequences for his business here in New York.
Closing arguments are underway in former President Donald Trump's civil fraud trial. He talked to reporters before heading into the courtroom.
As you know, I want to speak. I want to make the summation. At this moment, the judge is not letting me make the summation because I'll bring up things that he doesn't want to hear.
Trump made a last-minute request to deliver part of the closing arguments himself, but Judge Arthur Engoron ruled against it when the two sides could not agree to terms.
If he can make the closing argument, he's testifying but not under oath, and he can commit perjury and fraud. You can't do anything about it.
Trump and his organization are accused of tax fraud to get better loan terms or lower taxes on properties, charges that the frontrunner for the Republican presidential nomination has repeatedly claimed are politically motivated.
It's election interference at the highest level. It's a disgrace.
Here at the courthouse in New York, security is a little tighter today following a bomb threat made this morning at the judge's home.
This is the 10th time Trump has appeared in court since the civil trial began. Back in November, he took the stand in his own defense, clashing with prosecutors and the judge when he refused to answer questions with a simple yes or no. At one point, the judge threatened to remove Trump from the witness stand due to his outbursts. That day, New York Attorney General Letitia James said Trump's distractions can't hide the truth.
The only thing that matters are the facts and the numbers. And numbers, my friends, don't lie.
In addition to the civil case, Trump faces 91 criminal counts in 4 different cases. He has pleaded not guilty in all those cases.
Prosecutors are seeking some $370 million in damages, and Trump, whose name has been synonymous with city real estate for so many decades, could be barred from doing business in New York. Mary, we do expect to hear more from Trump sometime this afternoon. He is planning a press conference.
Bradley Blackburn live in Lower Manhattan for us. Bradley, thank you.